Manipur government has directed heads of various departments to take action against employees who remain absent in offices without authorized leave during 5-day shutdown called by women's groups in valley districts to protest against recent bomb attack in Tronglaubi. In an order issued by Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal, the government ordered all administrative secretaries and heads of departments to ensure attendance in their respective offices in view of the calls for disruption or band issued by various groups. It also warned that departmental proceedings should be taken up against those who are absent from duty without authorized leave. The government has asked all deputy commissioners to ensure the functioning of all offices in their districts. The order was issued in the wake of the 5-day shutdown from April 19, called by Manipuri groups in 5 valley districts to protest against the killing of 2 children at Tronglaubi in Bisnupur on April 7th.